Fro had to pick the driest lime in the world.
Now he said, I just know it's gonna be hilarious. Dude, look at squeeze the slime in his mouth. He missed, bro. Shh. Watch this, dude. Watch this.
Amy, you were not invited to the group chat. Please leave.
Footprints in the sand, but then you turn around and see another set, because Jesus was with you all along.
My name's Amy.
That is the laminarist flow that has ever flown. How can you be bald and have full head of hair at the same time? After the fourth round, be like,
there we go.
the bird is like, who are we looking for?
Oh my god. Logan, can you see it?
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
He was actively fighting his intrusive thoughts.
You gotta cut it. Oops. Oh shit. Okay, we gotta cut. Oh shit. Jesus. Okay, let's cut this thing. Oh shit. Okay, let's go. I gotta.
Bro got a little too excited.
Is this your card?
No.
No. Check under your foreskin.